Traits of emotionally intelligent people. Welcome. Emotional intelligence. I am a behaviorist. My specialty field of study is applied behavior analysis and organizational behavior. In this video, I will explain what is emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions in positive ways. To relieve stress, communicate effectively, overcome challenges, and diffuse conflict. IQ and smarts can get you good grades and jumpstart your career. However, it is emotional intelligence that sets apart the top leaders in their careers. According to Daniel Goleman, the psychologist who popularized the term emotional intelligence, emotional intelligence helps you build stronger relationships, succeed at school and work, and achieve your career and personal goals. It can also help you to connect with your feelings, turn intention into action, and make informed decisions about what matters most to you. Unlike IQ, which remains static throughout life, EI can be developed and refined at any age. Enhancing our EQ can make our communities more compassionate and improve how we parent, and help us take better care of the environment. Here are 4 key skills to emotional intelligence. 1. Self-management. You're able to control impulsive feelings and behaviors, manage your emotions in healthy ways, take initiative, follow through on commitments, and adapt to changing circumstances. 2. Self-awareness. You recognize your own emotions and how they affect your thoughts and behavior. You know your strengths and weaknesses and have self-confidence. 3. Social awareness. You have empathy. You can understand the emotions, needs, and concerns of other people. Pick up on emotional cues. Feel comfortable socially. 4. Relationship management. You know how to develop and maintain good relationships, communicate clearly, inspire and influence others, work well in a team setting, and manage conflict effectively. As we know, it's not the smartest people who are the most successful or the most fulfilled in life. I know people who are academically brilliant, and yet are socially inept and unsuccessful at work and their personal relationships. Intelligence quotient is not enough on its own to achieve success in life. IQ can help you get into college. However, it's EQ that helps to manage the stress when facing your final exams. Both exist in tandem and are most effective when they build off one another. Physical health. If you are unable to manage your emotions, you are not managing your stress either. This can lead to serious health problems. The first step to improving emotional intelligence is to learn how to manage stress. Uncontrolled stress raises your blood pressure, suppresses the immune system, increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes, and speeds up the aging process. Mental health. Uncontrolled emotions and stress can impact your mental health, making you vulnerable to anxiety and depression. If you are unable to manage your emotions, you will struggle to form lasting relationships. This can leave you feeling lonely and isolated, and further exacerbate any mental health problems. Social intelligence. If you are in tune with your emotions, this serves a social purpose, connecting you to other people and the world around you. Social intelligence enables you to identify friends from foe, reduce stress, and balance your nervous system through social communication, and feel loved and happy. Mindfulness to build social awareness. To build social awareness, you need to recognize the importance of mindfulness. Social awareness requires your presence in the moment. While many of us pride ourselves in the ability to multitask, this means that you will miss the subtle emotional shifts taking place in other people that help you fully understand them. I hope this information finds you well. please subscribe. The top 5 characteristics in good,